What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rome. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there if you're brand new. Yes, Manchester United is comfortable and nice today, leading 3-0 in the Carabao Cup. So I'm relaxed and nice as well. I'm just gonna relax in my robe, chill and watch the game. Should be an easy win. 2-0. Get that win. Call it a day. I'm glad to see Rashford on the bench. I'm glad to see Martial on the bench. I'm glad to see Sancho on the bench. So listen, happy all way around. So Ten Hag made 5 changes. So we talk about him. Tom Heaton, Luke Shaw, Rafael Varane, Lisandro Martinez, Aaron Wan-Bissaka, Fred, Casemiro, Anthony, Bruno Fernandes, Mr. All usually always there every day, Alejandro Garnacho, and Wood Weghorst. Listen, I'm there for it, fam. I'm there for it. I'm ready. You guys are ready. I don't know about you guys, but ready to get this thing started, fam. Ready to kick it off. Big and bold. Big and dusty. Good try, workers. Good fucking try. Referee! Me bomb clot! Well done, man. Too much. Sorry. Good try. Yo, the referee are fuckery, you know? This referee are total fuckery. Look on the 3 subs them coming in. Look on the 3 gods coming in. 60 minutes in, and the 3 gods them walking in on the field. Watch a man them now, man. Watch the 3 gods them. Who's so old? Name Anthony Martial. Big man, Anthony Martial. Fredino. Come here, bigger for give him the ball. Let's give him 1 chance. Just 1 chance, you know? That's all me ask for. Just give him 1 chance. Let's give him a chance to give him score. We're off to the final. We are off to the final of the Carabao Cup. 2-0. Just like I said, simple maths. Now we're after the final. See you at the final in 26 Newcastle. Highlight of the game, the 3 gunners, the 3 gods came on. Marcus Rashford, Jadon Sancho, and Anthony Martial. They came on and they played well. Martial with the goal, Rashford with the assist, Fred with the goal. Beautiful game, beautiful goal. On we go, fam. On we go. Thank you very much, people. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe if you're brand new. Manaz.